This is Accurl Easy Bend NC press brake 2-axis with the Delem Da41S control system and manual coroning. Now we will show you about this new NC model. Before the machine start working, we need to press the reset button. This is the main power switch. This is reset. Oil pump. Also, we have 3 different models for laser sieve. This way is for box bending.走一点，把它拉到别人拍的不错，把回来打开了。And the 2 sides have a safety switch. When the door opens, the machine will be stopped. This is a DSP laser sieve. When you change the tooling, you can take the laser DSP in top. And this is the manual coroning. And use European standard 4-way die. Also, we can change it to use a double V or single V used in this machine. Back again. This is a package PGA 1 for X axis with the 2 finger. The finger also with a double linear guide. So you can listen the bolt screw, the working very quick. The package uses a heavy linear guide and bolt screw. And this package type only have for Accurl. This Accurl design. Kewaga. This QC certificate. Siciliada. This is Accurl new Easy Bend NC press brake, but the machine working accuracy similar like a CNC press brake. This machine is well to ship to Accurl USA. Okay, now we will bend some sample. 起来，你把9路锁紧个，你这边等下子啊。好，等下子啊，慢点啊。Now we will put the bending angle in the control system. This mode, this thickness, this angle, we put 90 degree, 175 degree. This package size 100. 90 degree. The package 50 millimeter. Okay. Okay. We will use 2 millimeter, so we need to change the thickness to 2 millimeter. And 90 degree. The Y will automatically change.好，来，放开的，这个就是录这个了，来，这就是录啊，90 degree， 好，拿走。Thanks for your time to check this video for full time.